Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul. So I did a massive grocery haul from Walmart. The Walmart that's closest to me is like 20 minutes away. So I like to do like every 2 to 3 weeks, do a big grocery haul, go pick up like all the snacks, all that kind of stuff. And then like in between, I just go to the more expensive grocery store, which is right down the street from me, to get like a few things. I'll get like the fruit that's on sale for that week or whatever else, like in between my big grocery shops, because it's so expensive. This is like $280 worth of groceries. I couldn't believe it. And I just got like, I definitely stocked up on snacks and all that stuff since the kids are back to school. We definitely needed a big stock up on all of that. But I was honestly shocked at how much everything ended up being. I'm like, this was like $150 last year or whenever prices weren't so outrageous. But what are you gonna do? It's still cheaper than eating out all the time. So I'm gonna unload all of this and then I'll share with you the grocery haul. All right, that took a while. I tried to kind of group everything together. So we will start over here. I got some eggs just for the week for breakfast and for baking. The kids love these Chobani flip yogurts. I also ordered the Oikos orange cream or daddy yogurts, if you guys have been around for a while. That's what my kids call them, but they were out of them. They were trying to substitute them with like a lemon or something, but my kids or Kevin would not eat that, and I don't eat yogurt. So I just told them to forget that. So I still ended up with 4 of these. I'm almost done with this book. If you guys have not read it, make sure you do. It's so good. Let me know in the comments down below if you have read it. I think I have like that last little bit to read. I'm gonna read that after I put all of this away. So I got some egg whites. I need to make some breakfast sandwiches, and just for breakfast in the morning, my coffee creamer. We needed some butter, and I love this Kerrygold butter just to put on like toast in the morning and things like that. Some deli cheese, some mild cheddar cheese. I'm gonna make some buffalo chicken dip this week, so I got some cheese for that. Also some sour cream just to have on like our tacos and enchiladas and all of that. And then 1 sour cream for the buffalo chicken dip, some Greek vanilla yogurt, and some whipped cream cheese. Some block cream cheese for the buffalo chicken dip as well. Some crescent rolls and some little mini hot dogs for the Patriots play their first game this Sunday, and it's also Austin's first football game, so we of this season anyway. So I'm going to be making some yummy little treats, buffalo chicken dip, and these for the game. I got some bacon to go with dinner tonight. We were having breakfast for dinner. I'm actually filming a what's for dinner video, a week worth of easy, super quick, convenient dinners, so you will see that tonight. 2 of these Rice Krispies. They're literally the exact same thing, and instead of these being like $4 a box, these were less than $2 a box, and no one notices the difference. It's literally the exact same ingredients. So some Raisin Bran. Again, my kids don't have cereal a lot, but I like to have some healthy-ish options. These do have a decent amount of sugar, but the ingredient list is pretty good, and the sugar is just because it's raisins, and raisins are high in sugar. I got 2 packages of thinly sliced chicken breasts. We got a ton of snacks because I haven't really stocked up on snacks since going back to school, so that was in definite need. I got some popcorn, and I got like some different candy and stuff to go with popcorn for like movie nights. Some Smart Food for their lunches. My kids and Kevin all love Fig Newtons, which I think is so funny. So I got a pack of those. I got some pretzels, some juice boxes. These are not the best kind, but just when I go to Walmart, this is what I get. Just easier to stock up on those. There's no added sugars. I'm sure there's still a bunch of junk in them, but some Raisinets. I put like these in the kids' bento box, so like as a little treat for after their fruit and sandwich and all of that. Got 2 different kinds of goldfish. Layton loves the colored goldfish. Those are her favorite. And Parmesan goldfish. I got little packs of Smart Food. The substitute of these, I got the baked ones. I don't think anyone's going to eat these chili cheese ones, but there's only 2 of them, so I'm like, maybe Brendan will eat them when he's here. These little mini chippers, I like to give these to the kids with their lunches. They're a really good price too. They're like just over $3, I think, for a 12 pack. So Also got them some yogurt covered raisins, some chocolate, and some vanilla flavored raisins, a pack of Ritz, some little packages of goldfish, some little cookies, and Leighton asked for these soft pretzels. She loves these, so those are a good snack for her. Then over here, I really did stock up, but we were out of so much. So we needed tons of bread. We were on our last loaf of bread. So this is our favorite bread, and it has no like dyes or preservatives or junk in it. It's the best. I used to buy like trash, like yucky bread, and like the dollar kind of bread, which I still will buy once in a while to make Uncrustables just to go in the freezer. But this bread is just delicious. So I got 2 of those for sandwiches, some white 45 calorie bread for myself, 2 things of English muffins just for breakfast, and also for making some breakfast sandwiches. I got 2 bags of mini bagels, some of these little mini chocolate chip ice cream cones, also some little plain ones for the kids, and 2 pounds of strawberries, 2 bags of baby carrots, 2 bags of green grapes. We have enchiladas on our meal plan this week, which you will see. So I got some, they were very small cans. I probably will only need 1 can, but I got 2 anyway. And some mini cucumbers, some orange juice, some romaine lettuce. Leighton loves this strawberry banana smoothie, so I got this for her. And for our movie nights, I got some peanut M&Ms and some regular M&Ms. And then a 5-pound bag of potatoes. So here is the part I hate the most. Putting all of this mound of plastic bags into the recycling and putting everything away. But I'm gonna share it with you because I'm gonna try something a little bit different. I'm gonna like put my meals together for the next 5 days. So like kind of group everything together that we're gonna make and have it all kind of ready to go in like little bins kind of thing. I'm trying a new system out. So I'll let you know how that goes in the what's for dinner video. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss that. But we're gonna fill up our, it's just a sea of bags. We're gonna fill up our pantry out here because it definitely needs some reorganization. And as you can tell, it is pretty bare. Like there's just random junk things in there that needs to be put in there, and it's just really, really messy if I'm being honest. So that needs to get organized, and we will restock all of our snacks. Alexa, play New Country.
I can see it in your eyes.
that I have worked up a sweat and ran around my entire house, I am finally done. That actually took me a lot longer than I anticipated, but the closet is all cleaned out. That is, I showed you the before. It was really, really a mess. Macy, shush. Sorry, my dog's going crazy. Hold on. But I organized everything in here. So my rule with this stuff is I pretty much have everything in here in like a big form. So like I bought a big bag of Smart Food. If they want Smart Food at home, they have to take it from the big bag. And put it in a bowl and all that. These are like chips and rice cakes and all of that. And these are like some of our back stock. And I have more back stock down in the downstairs. Here's all our popcorn. We get a ton of popcorn. This is all like my baking supplies. I'm actually gonna put those things up on the shelf behind here. And this is like rice, pastas, you know, condiments and extra spices and all that kind of stuff, and my potatoes. So that is all neatened out. And I also straightened out the pantry and filled out some stuff in here too. This is all like our breakfast section: bread, bagels, this is cookies, snacks, crackers, all that kind of stuff. And up here is like nuts and dry cranberries and our little candy section for movie nights. And then down below is chips. We don't have many chips open right now, but actually I have these Cheez-Its to add that I found downstairs. So the next thing, I just have to wash all this produce, but you've seen me wash produce 3 million times. So you know I soak everything in white vinegar, let it air dry, put it in a container with like a paper towel on the bottom, and then that's it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe. I have tons of cleaning, organizing, what's for dinner videos with like high protein, low points, all that kind of stuff. I'll be sharing all of that this coming week. So make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.